Hello, this is just a brief recording to show you how to submit your wellness assessment document so that you can receive your grade for this week for UNV 101. So the first thing, and this is your choice, this data right here might be personal to you, and you might not want to share with your instructor how you answered this assessment, and that's perfectly fine. And also, you might not want them to see what your graph is. And again, that's perfectly fine. If you want to hide that, what you can do is right click. Okay, so right click on Assessment and Raw Scores and click Delete. And you can delete that first tab, and then it's going to get rid of the data. Okay, however, you will have filled out this. So you want to leave this here since that's generic, right? And then your campus engagement should also be filled out as well. So then the last thing you need to do is click here on Share, and you will want to copy the link, all right? And you're going to take that link. So I just clicked copy, so it's on my clipboard basically. And then I'm going to go back. Then I'm going to go back to that week number 7 attendance and reflection. I'm going to click submit assignment, and in the text box, I'm going to paste that link. And then I will click submit, and I'm done. So that's it.